Welcome to Vibratech Trainers and Consultant Private Limited. We are going to see an interesting case study on cane shredder. Case study prepared by Vijaya Krishnan Venugapur, Director of Vibratech Trainers and Consultants Private Limited, Chennai. He is a chartered engineer with more than 35 years of experience. He is an international vibration consultant and ISO certified vibration analyst Cat 3 certificate holder. Also, he is certified maintenance and reliability professional from SMRP. Shredder we are going to see is driven by a motor of capacity 75 kilowatts and 1476 RPM through belt. The shredder is mounted on steel frame on concrete floor at ground level without any anti-vibration mountings. Vibration measurements are taken in all three directions: horizontal, vertical, axial, in each locations. Measurement locations are motor non-drive end bearing, motor drive end bearing, shredder D bearing, shredder and EE bearing. Vibration amplitudes are collected in terms of displacement in microns peak to peak, velocity in millimeters per second peak. And now on to the vibration limits. As per ISO standard, and with our previous experience, when the velocity falls below 6.58 mm per second peak, it's considered as good. When the velocity falls between 6.58 to 15.8 mm per second peak, it is considered as fair. When the velocity falls above 15.8 mm per second peak, the equipment is considered to be rough. The vibration values are maximum at motor drive end axle, velocity up to 21.5 mm per second peak and displacement of 313 microns peak to peak. And at shredder non-drive end axle, velocity up to 13.8 mm per second peak and displacement of 108 microns peak to peak. And the equipment falls under rough category. Going through the spectrum and frequencies at motor driven end, dominant peak frequencies are 1 times, 2 times and 3 times the running RPM. And spectrums at shredder non-driven side shows the dominant peak frequencies are in 2 times and 3 times the running RPM. The equipment is analyzed to have looseness and insufficient area contact at motor fixing locations indicated, and axle plane shredder drive end bearing indicated. Achieve at least 70% area contact at motor fixing locations, and ensure proper tightness at fixing locations. Inspect for axle play at chipper free end bearing, and tighten the adapter sleeve if provided. Vibratech cater among all major industrial sectors. We conduct vibration analysis level 1 and 2 training programs online, and also in plant. ISO certified vibration analyst category 1, category 2, category 3 training and examination. Services we provide are vibration analysis, in situ dynamic balancing, laser alignment, motor current signature analysis, thermography, building or ground vibration measurements. We also market and provide service for machinery vibration analyzers and meters, and low frequency building vibration analyzers.